Now we are at the Perflex production base. We produce high-quality polyaspartic for clients worldwide. We export many to USA, Europe, Australia, Canada, and more places. We warmly welcome every client to visit our factory and discuss with us together to seek more possibilities for your business. Hi guys, welcome to our Perflex manufacturing center here. Today I'm gonna show you our factory daily. This group, they are our production managers. They keep every batches well organized, send every good quality products to the clients worldwide. And here is our R&D center. Here we have professional machines to keep every product high quality. We aim to produce the high quality products. And here, anti-abrasion testers for some cells. And here is our production management. They'll keep the overall control about the production. Let's see. Hi! Now we are in the Perflex factory. We have standard production procedures and we offer high quality polyaspartic and epoxy for your floorings. And we offer different size of packages for you to choose. And we also have customizable packages. We are also looking for partners worldwide to distribute Perflex or distribute our floor coating materials. Perflex produce floor coating materials, waterproof materials, and also tile grout for worldwide clients. Here are some of our facilities. They are now producing our 75% solid content polyaspartic. They are going to the USA in the near future. We also supply universal pigments for polyaspartic and epoxy. We offer different colors. We can customize colors for clients. That's where the matte colors. We also have some facilities dealing with polluted waters to protect our environment. We like to keep our city clean and beautiful here. And some facilities to deal with our dust in the factory to offer a relatively good environment for our workers.
Hi, this is Vanessa from Perflex. We supply quality and deliver in good faith and create values through service.